It's time for a big music game, and we're playing Big Beat Sheet. Level 2. We are gonna say and play these rhythms together, and then you're gonna rock them on your own. Let's play. Round 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, 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 quarter. Half note, half note. Remember to say it and play it. 1, 2, your turn. Round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, quarter, half note. Whole note, hold it. Half note, half note. Quarter, quarter, half note. Awesome job. 1, 2, your turn. Round 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, quarter, half note, half note, half note, half note. Quarter, quarter, whole note, hold it. Whole note, hold it. Quarter, quarter, half note, half note, half note. Whole note, hold it. Sweet. 1, 2, your turn. Round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, half note. Whole note, hold it. Quarter, quarter, half note, half note. Quarter, quarter, whole note, hold it. Half note, half note, half note, half note. Quarter, quarter, half note. Last one, let's do this. 1, 2, your turn. Ah, yeah, you just knocked out another big music game level. Nice work.